Listen, I'd like to speak to Edna, please. E? This is Helen.
Helen who?
Helen Parr. You know, Elastigirl. Oh! Yes, it's been a while. Listen, there's only one person Bob would trust to patch a super suit, and that's you, E.
Yes. Marvelous, isn't it? Much better than those horrible pajamas he used to wear. Well, all finished. When are you coming to see?
Look, I'm calling about...
Don't make me beg, darling. I won't do it, you know.
Beg?
No, I'm calling about suit, about Bob's suit. I'm calling about Bob's suit.
Come in 1 hour, darling. I insist, okay? Okay, goodbye.
Bye-bye.
It's bigger. It's badder. Ladies and gentlemen, it's too much for Mr. Incredible. Whoa.
It's finally ready. You know, I went through quite a few supers to get it worthy to fight you, but man, it wasn't good enough. After you trashed the last one, I had to make some major modifications. Sure, it was difficult, but you are worth it. I mean, after all, I am your biggest fan.
Buddy?
My name is not Buddy! And it's not Incrediboy either. That ship has sailed. All I wanted was to help you. I only wanted to help. And what did you say to me?
Fly home, buddy. I work alone.
It tore me apart. But I learned an important lesson. You can't count on anyone, especially your heroes.
I was wrong to treat you that way. I'm sorry.
See? Now you respect me, because I'm a threat. That's the way it works. Turns out there are a lot of people, whole countries, who want respect, and they will pay through the nose to get it. How do you think I got rich? I invented weapons, and now I have a weapon that only I can defeat. And when I unleash it, I'll get... You sly dog! You got me monologuing! I can't believe it. It's cool, huh? 0 point energy. Yeah, I save the best inventions for myself. Am I good enough now? Use super now! I'm Syndrome, your nemesis, and it... Oh, brilliant. Try this one on for size, big boy.
Light reading negative. Mr. Incredible terminated.